In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily install plugins on your WordPress website. Installing plugins is a great way to add new features and functionality to your WordPress site. Whether you want to improve SEO, add social media buttons, or create contact forms, there's a plugin for everything. Now let's go through the steps to install a plugin on your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin you want to install. For example, let's search for Yoast SEO. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. And that's it. The plugin is now installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to Turtle Tech for more WordPress tutorials.